Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall system update on Android phone. Alright guys, to uninstall system update on Android phone, we have to reset our phone. We need to open the settings application and we have to go to the general management setting. You can scroll down to find it. Okay, this one. Click on this general management setting, and here we have to click on this reset option since we want to reset our phone, and we have to select the factory data reset. Okay, and we need to scroll down until we find the reset button, and right after we reset our phone, the system update on our Android phone will be uninstalled and our phone will be back to its default system. Alright guys, and that's how we can uninstall system update on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.